welcome back, guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I take out my Bantu knots. So I have a bit of a cold, excuse my voice if I sound a little stuffy. Basically what I do is I take them apart with my fingers. I do not comb them. I did them the night before and I just twisted them. I have an old video, that's why I didn't do like a full tutorial. I'll link it below this video so you can see how I do my Bantu knots, but I just wanted to do a quick get ready with me, watch me do my hair video. So I'm just pulling them apart. I actually twist my Bantu knots and then turn them into little knots. So I'm taking them all out. I've noticed that my natural hair is thinning. It's not as thick as it used to be. Here I'm laying down my edges with an old toothbrush. I'm also using the Murray's edge control. This just seems to work best on my hair. Sometimes, you know, the other ones don't really work. So this one has been like my tried and true edge control. So I'm using that to lay down, and then I'm just taking out these front pieces. I wanted to leave them in so I could lay my edges. So I'm going to be pulling apart my hair with both my fingers. Basically I did 2-strand twists up into a little Bantu knots, and that's what gave me this specific wave. I don't normally do Bantu knots, but I thought I'd try something different on my channel, so here I am pulling them apart. And don't mind my makeup in this shot, you guys. My eyes are watering so bad. I'm actually really sick, so my makeup was kind of running. So again, I'm just taking them apart with a pick now. This is just to make my hair appear thicker and fuller than what it is. I'm just doing it at the root. I'm not combing my curls out. I wanted to keep the wave pattern that I have from the Bantu knots. So I'm just kind of fluffing the hair and making it appear a little fuller and a little more thick. So yeah, you guys, I mean, this is really simple, super easy, quick tutorial. I will let you guys enjoy the rest of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of these short, quick tutorials, please let me know. I love you, and I'll talk to you guys later.